Health experts say Indiana is facing a major shortage of doctors because many doctors are retiring. As News Channel 15 Sara Wagner explains, the state is trying to be proactive with the law. She joins us now to explain more.
Health fairs are just one way Indiana is attracting more people to medicine. It seems to be working, too. Thousands of people packed Science Central this afternoon for Doctors' Day in Fort Wayne. Organizers hope it helps the community while also sparking an interest in medicine and kids of all ages. The event started 20 years ago with just a few doctors and has grown into much more.
It's evolved into a medical career day with not only physicians, but dietitians, physical therapists, occupational therapists, engineers that work at the hospital.
Both Parkview and Lutheran hospitals, along with dozens of other health professionals, set up shop all over the museum. Families could play games and get free medical advice and services.
Maybe they haven't seen a doctor. Maybe they haven't had a hearing test. Maybe they haven't had their blood pressure checked in a while. So it might be that start to get them back into doing those routine visits for their children as well as themselves.
In addition to making the region healthier, Doctors' Day also highlights careers in medicine.
Things like this are really important in trying to draw kids into science and possibly the medical field early.
I have no doubts at all that an event like this is certainly starting to impact their career choices.
It worked for current med school students Emily Crash and Ashley Barish. Both grew up coming to Science Central.
It's really brought me a lot of interest in medicine, and I think a lot of kids here see all of this and they aspire to have careers in healthcare from coming here.
I've been definitely wanting to do this my whole life. Ever since I was like yay tall and like coming to Science Central and seeing like the magic of science, I've always wanted to become a doctor.
Organizers hope it also inspires younger kids to not just play doctor for the day, but rather a lifetime. It looks like that idea is catching on. 10-year-old Ariella Dawson says she wants to be a doctor when she grows up.
It's just very interesting to get to work with people and make them feel better, stuff like that.
The medical community says events like Doctors' Day are key for bringing more people into the field.
With the state of healthcare and the number of people that are sick and the declining number of physicians, it's very important that the medical community keeps its numbers up.
The state has also added another medical school in Indianapolis to help with the shortage. IU is also increasing its med school class sizes every year. Sara Wagner, News Channel 15.